In this video, I'll show you how to edit Christmas hats on profile pics. So what you need to do, go to your browser. So go to this, right? Go to this. So once you have logged into this site, what you need to do, you need to come on here and select the brush size. So you just come on here and select this. Just watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now once you are done, you're going to be able to see text a prompt here. So come on here, just add a Santa Christmas hat for me, please. So once you're done, click on generate. So you're gonna just wait for it to gradually load up. So right now, this is it. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure you like this video, share this video to your friends who need to see this, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.